Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about mass of a body, weight of a body and the differences between mass and weight. In this one, first of all, we will discuss about mass of a body. So, mass is the basic property of the matter. It is defined as quantity of matter contained in a body. Means the quantity of matter contained in a body is called the mass. Mass is measured by a beam balance. A beam balance consists of a straight beam and two pans of equal weight. The body which is to be measured is kept in one pan and the standard mass is added in another pan until the beam becomes horizontal. When beam becomes horizontal, that time we note the standard mass and we know the value of the mass of a body. The mass of a body is measured in kilogram basically, or it is in gram, but the standard unit of mass is kilogram. After that, we will discuss weight of a body. As we know that Earth attracts everything towards it due to the gravitational force, and this force is dependent on the mass. So, the weight of a body is the force of attraction due to the Earth's gravitational force. So, weight of a body W is equal to force of attraction. Due to gravity, we can say due to gravity. And this weight is equal to the product of mass and the acceleration due to gravity. Means W is equal to mass of body into acceleration due to gravity. Mass, as we know, m, and acceleration due to gravity g, means m into g, mg. W is equal to m into g. By this formula, we can calculate the weight of a body. For example, if m is equal to 10 kilogram, suppose m is equal to 10 kg, then W is equal to 10 into, in place of g, it will be 9.8. So, it will be 98 Newton. So, this is the weight of a body of mass 10 kilogram. So, this way we can calculate the weight of a body by using this formula. Now, we will discuss the differences between mass and weight. So, the quantity of matter contained in a body is called the mass, while the force with which the earth attracts a body, it is called the weight. Mass is measured in kilogram, while weight is measured in Newton. Mass is scalar quantity, while weight is vector quantity. Mass of body can never be zero, but the weight of body can be zero on the center of the earth. The mass is measured of measurement of body's inertia, while weight of body is gravitational force experienced by it. Mass of a body remains constant at every place, but the weight of a body changes place to place, because for every place the value of g will be changed, so the weight will be changed. So mass is constant at every place, but weight is variable on places, different places. So these are the differences between mass and weight. So today we discussed mass of a body, weight of a body, and differences between mass and weight. That's all. Thank you.